Celebrity, Chevrolet's new generation front-wheel drive family car. Offering mid-size room and comfort for 5 passengers, plenty of room for luggage, and the fuel economy you might expect from a compact. Celebrity's aerodynamic shape reduces wind turbulence, contributes to its impressive fuel economy. And Celebrity's front-wheel drive design offers impressive traction, especially in rain and snow. Power rack and pinion steering and power brakes contribute to Celebrity's maneuverability and handling. As sophisticated as its streamlined design and front-wheel drive traction is Celebrity's standard 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine equipped with electronic fuel injection. This advanced system meters fuel flow a minimum of 80 times per second. An electronically controlled solenoid nozzle injects a measured spray of fuel into the throttle body, adjusting to changes in operating conditions for responsive performance and impressive fuel economy. If your driving needs require 6-cylinder power and economy, the 2.8-liter V6 is available. And when diesel fuel economy is important, the 4.3-liter diesel V6 is the optional engine to choose. All Celebrity engines are teamed with an automatic 3-speed transaxle. The transaxle features a torque converter clutch that provides a direct mechanical link between the engine and the transaxle, reducing fuel-wasting slippage at highway speeds for impressive fuel economy. Under the skin, added value is provided by a proven McPherson strut front suspension and computer-selected coil springs that help absorb road shock, contributing to a smooth, comfortable ride. To protect your investment, Celebrity features extensive anti-corrosion treatments. For example, zinc-rich pre-coated metals are used on outer door and rear quarter panels and on suspension brackets. And every Celebrity car body is submerged in an Elpo dip bath, where a zinc-rich primer is electrostatically bonded to the sheet metal. Selected body areas on Celebrity also receive a hard plastic finish called Plastisol, which helps guard the lower body from stone chipping. This standard feature on Celebrity is either an extra cost option or is not available at all on many competitors. There's more value under the skin, with extensive acoustical insulation that includes a molded fiberglass headliner, one-piece carpeting with molded backing, and a full panel hood insulator pad that contributes to reducing wind, engine, and road noise to give you a quiet, enjoyable ride. And Celebrity offers the added value of many standard features, including a front bench seat with a new folding center armrest for driver and passenger convenience, easy-to-read instrumentation, an AM radio with dual front speakers, side window defoggers. Also standard on Celebrity are full perimeter bumper rub strips and body side moldings. With an interior designed for 5, Celebrity offers you plenty of headroom, shoulder room, and leg room in both the front and rear seats. And you can personalize your Celebrity with a wide range of options, including this new CL interior that features plush cloth trimming the seats and the door panels. A new simulated leather look treatment complements this luxurious CL interior. Other options for your Celebrity include a tilt steering wheel, air conditioning, power windows, electric rear window defogger, automatic speed control, and a wide selection of Delco AM/FM stereo radios. Quality and value extend to Celebrity's large trunk compartment, ideal for the family-size needs of 5. Impressive space is provided by a wide, flat load floor, which gives you 16 cubic feet of luggage capacity and an out-of-the-way spare tire storage. Celebrity, quality built for your everyday needs. We invite you to test drive a Celebrity today to experience firsthand its impressive comfort, handling, and quality. One test drive, and we think you'll agree that Celebrity is one of the finest automobile values on the road today.